What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Jailbreak Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I have a beautiful tweak that you must download. This tweak will give your iPhone's lock screen an animated anime-inspired time display experience. Adding a touch of personality to your iPhone's time display is something cool. This tweak is a fun way for jailbroken users to tell the time at any moment. While you could stick with the boring stock lock screen clock, this tweak brings flair and personality to the interface, which may be specially appreciated by anime lovers. This tweak comes with a number of customization options, so now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Cydia or whatever you are using. I will open Cydia. Go to the sources here and make sure to add Havoc Repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for AniTime. And as you see, this is the tweak. AniTime tweak, as I said, designed to give your iPhone's lock screen an animated anime-inspired time display. As you can see in the photos here, you might see anywhere from 3-4 anime characters showing the time, depending on the number of digits required to express the current time. The tweak also lets you display seconds on your lock screen, so you can have a beautifully animated time like the one I have. These characters animate, but you can choose to use static images if you prefer less movement. Moreover, you can customize things like size, spacing between the time format, and more. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, press here, now hit confirm. Now respring your device. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is of course enable the tweak from here. Okay, this is the tweak. It has a few options to customize. I'm gonna quickly explain all these options. So the first one we have here is the animation style. Here you can choose between animated or static images. If you like the animated time, just keep it animated. And if you prefer less movement, just select static images. I prefer animated, so I will keep it animated. In clock size, you can choose between a small, compact, or normal sized clock. I will keep it normal. In digit spacing, you can choose between very tight, normal, or wide digit spacing. This is the space between the time. So for example, if you choose very tight, the time in lock screen will look like this. As you see, very tight. For me, I prefer to keep it in normal size. With time format, you can choose between a system-defined 12-hour or 24-hour time display format. I like to keep it in 12-hour format. And finally, in time component, here you can hide or show the seconds in your time display and hide date. If you disable show seconds, it will look like this. If you enable show seconds, you will get the seconds in the lock screen time as you see. You can also hide the date if you would like. And that's it. So this is the tweak. This tweak is really simple and beautiful. It makes the lock screen more modern and more beautiful. You can easily customize things like spacing, resize, time format, and more just the way you want. Because the lock screen is something that you see every time you interact with your device, this is a low-key way to add some nice animations to your lock screen. I like this tweak and I would recommend you to give it a try. The repo is in the description below this video. Make sure to download and give this tweak a try. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak tweaks videos, and peace.